We decided to host this morning here at the precinct. Just for those who may not know exactly what it is, it's a Queensland government initiative, and it was actually established to really help foster innovation. So we thought it was rather appropriate to have this morning's presentation in a place that is all about innovation, has a bit of a healthcare flavour, and it's all about startups. I'm very excited this morning that we've got three amazing speakers, and very excited that we also have our keynote from Victoria Chalmers. So Victoria is the Executive Director of the Health Contact Centre at Queensland Health, and her presentation this morning is Centricity, one platform, any challenge.
And what we really focused in on in the first phase of that was the actions that are listed there with a priority 1. Now, I clearly don't expect you to be able to read that, but what I wanted to be able to just do is to let you know that this stemmed from a broad-based consultation process within our own teams and services. It's got a longitudinal view about what we're trying to achieve and do, and also that we looked at what was happening in the industry and the sector to be able to support that vision.
Self-improvement's really important, and if we're going to look at some machine learning and how that actually works, but it's dependent on the data. The more data that we can push in to a machine learning algorithm, the better it comes. And that's some form of self-improvement. What Musk and others are concerned about is where we start getting into 6 and 7. Abstraction, randomness and creativity. If we build those things into systems, their concern is that they will take over, because they have the appearance of rationality, but they're using that data to actually drive through to an end game.
We're actually moving away from some of these models and actually getting into federated data models where we don't need to move it all to a central location. You actually put a meta model over the top and connect everything into an ecosystem that is going to answer what you want. And it's getting cheaper to do that. And then at the top of it all, the most important part is actually having some sort of ontology or taxonomy over the top so you can actually ask the right questions for what you're trying to get to. So that's kind of the world in which we live in. And that goes over structured and unstructured information.
So thank you again for coming along. Do appreciate it, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks.